Depending on the size and resources of a company, it might make sense to appoint a single person to assume the responsibilities associated with knowledge management, as well as other strategic training and development initiatives. These chief learning or chief knowledge officers have a seat at the leadership table next to the CEO, the CFO, the COO. They are responsible for ensuring that the company's technology infrastructure supports the learning culture and the goals of the training and development system. As the learning expert, they find new ways of managing knowledge and work with managers to gain their support for the process. That support can then be passed down through the ranks until everyone in the organization understands the value of managing and sharing knowledge. CLOs are also responsible for encouraging collaboration between training specialists who create training content and IT specialists who provide access to it.